explain how to manipulate a matrix to its inverse form, and how can we apply this to the following matrix. I know that to find an inverse, it has to equal the following. 1, 0, 0, 1. So to find this, we have to find the right matrices to multiply this to get here. But I just don't know how to find the matrices to get to here. So what question do you guys have for me?
Your point of confusion is finding the matrix?
Yes. The corresponding matrices to get to here. So what question do you guys have for me? So we're trying to get there.
Is there specific formulas?
UI.
Yeah.
So we have to find the middle matrix.
Or where exactly is your place? Yeah. How to get it on my board.
For the formula, what are you trying to find?
I'm trying to find x.
So is there a way you can algebraically get the x alone?
Well, to do that, I set this equal to this, and then I have to manipulate these two to get it to here. And then when I do that, I find x. You understand? But I just don't know how to manipulate the matrix.
Can you apply one of the principles we use?
I think the Gauss-Jordan. Because you have to multiply like the first one to make this 1, 0, and this one to make it 0, 1. But I get confused like when I'm doing that. Like I don't know where to start.
You see your original equation, how can you get it to be a 0 on the bottom?
But I just add these two because it makes it 0.
Well, what do you do in Gauss-Jordan so you can like eliminate the other ones?
You multiply and 2 or divide or whatever necessary. So I leave this alone. 1 plus -1 is 0. Right? So now it's
And approximate means not exactly
this is my point of confusion right here. Is this the first one or the second one? My new.
Which one did you change? From the both one, which one changed?
The first one.
Did it? Because, what did you add? Like, you added row 1 to row 2 or row 2 to row 1?
I added row 1 to row 2.
So which one changed?
Row 2? Okay. So now I multiply this one by 3. So you get
Your one. What do I see?
oh, sorry. So then by -3 to get this to 0. So now, and this is the first one, right? In the first equation? Okay.
So how do you get rid of the negative on row 2 to make it a positive one?
So those are the block properties.
Is there anything you can multiply it by?
To get rid of the negative?
-1. And then if I do that, that makes it a 1 down here.
Why?
Because 1 plus 0 is
Wait, are you combining them or you're just showing it?
Do you have to add them?
No. Oh,
So
so I
on-
just multiply this one by -1. Okay.
Wait, using 7 names. What those two numbers, you have to see how you can make it.
So why are you doing that?
Before 49, yeah.
So it's like,
To get it into this format, so I can find my inverse, my
you gotta
x.
use this one, so this one. Okay, so log.
Okay, so now that I'm here, which is the same as this,
And then I got
these four numbers should be my x. So my inverse is
That ain't pretty close, Gilbert?
-2, -1, -3, -1.
How can that be 82 plus?
Can you explain your steps?
Yeah. So we're given a matrix C, and to find our inverse, we have to use the following equation: A times X equals I. We identify A and I, A and I, and then we plug them into AX equals Y, which we did here.
Good enough?
And then we manipulate the equation until we get our inverse of 1001, which is all the work here. And then we confirm our final equation does in fact equal 1001, which it does here. And then our inverse is our following: -2, -3, -1, -1. And that's that.